Happy birthday to you.
My name is Josh Pagac, and I am the Emerging Leaders teacher here at Mechanicsville High School. So Emerging Leaders is very different from a lot of the classes we offer here. It's really a chance for students to demonstrate their leadership skills and grow in their leadership abilities.
We initially heard that our lunch lady was turning 95, and she's just a great person that served us really well, like my whole high school career, so it was easy to just give back, so we jumped on it and we were excited.
It's very unexpected to know people who are still working at the age of 95, let alone in a high school dealing with people like us, high schoolers. But I just really admire that about her, especially what she said about how it's kids like us that keep her going every day.
They did everything. I did very little. That's the great part about this class is they get to do all the things, and so everything that happened was because of them.
We jumped on it immediately. When Mr. Pagac mentioned it to us, we were so excited to get it done. I remember my classmates saying we couldn't wait to decorate and plan it all together. We knew that we wanted to get her a little sash and a tiara and definitely have the whole school in on it.
We've done a lot of really cool things here at school. The students planned an all-star basketball game with our functional academics class, in which they planned the practices, they developed relationships with the kids, and they really celebrated that group of students, providing the game, they coached, they were fans, they created senior day posters for everyone, and recognized them for all their accomplishments that they've done.
What makes this class special is that all these people are in the same mindset and wavelength of just selflessness. We jump on things to go out of our ways to help people.
We are Hanover Strong.